Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of Process Management and Systems Thinking. It's your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's having a great week so far and really enjoying our class. I've enjoyed kind of the interaction that we've had with each other and really kind of worked through all the different questions and kind of how things go on different things. This week, we're going to be studying chapters 3, 4, and 15 of the Colliers and Evans textbook. We have the files right here, which are the PowerPoints for that. And we also have an article called Arrogance in the Workplace is Serious Business. So it's very, very important to see that because it's one of those things where we can definitely apply faith and values to our workplace. And that's definitely one of those things that we all struggle with at times. I know working in the public sector that I often am dealt with working with individuals that are not very willing to learn, or not willing to work together with others. So thinking that they're better than other people and being arrogant is one of those things that can definitely cause rifts within the society, within the organization itself. We have some great videos on here that I definitely want you guys to watch. Social responsibility and sustainability is a big factor on this. We talk about how Amazon deploys technology in managing operations. And there's also Gantt charts and critical path analysis. Gantt charts are really, really great in helping us to see kind of what's next and kind of when we plan to have things done. So definitely very, very important to look at those items. We also have a discussion board post like we do every week where I want you guys to go in there and respond to others as well as post your initial post. I love going in the discussion board post and kind of responding to you guys and seeing kind of how things go. We also have this week, which is a little bit different. We have the case analysis assignment where we're going to actually have Excel and some other items to really have a run chart. And you're going to be able to go in there and get your hands wet and really try to understand exactly what's going on in that and kind of understand exactly kind of what the process is. So we have that information there. And that's kind of what we're doing this week. As always, if you guys have any questions, need anything from me, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. I want to see you succeed in the class and everything else. So, great talking to you guys today. Let me know if you need anything. Thanks.